everyone, welcome back again to Foxtecc, and today we're going to be talking about how you can disable Safari on your iPhone. Now, this feature has become quite simple to manage in iOS 17 and perhaps the iOS 18, which is upcoming, might change it or perhaps make it even easier, so we'll need to wait to see what happens, but no matter if you want to set it up for yourself as a reminder or for someone else, I'm going to guide you through how it works. So, the main tool that we'll be using is the screen time section in the settings app, so let's get started. First, open the settings, go to the screen time, and if you don't have it set up or if you don't see any options, you're gonna have to set it up at first, so just follow the instructions to make it work. It is very simple to do so do not worry. Once screen time is set up, scroll down and go to the content and privacy restrictions. Enable this section by tapping on the toggle at the top, and this will allow you to control various aspects of your iPhone's functionality. After enabling it, tap on the Allowed Apps section. In the Allowed Apps, you can manage several apps, and one of them is Safari. When you disable Safari here, it will disappear from your home screen entirely, effectively restricting access to it. This method is quite useful if you want to prevent access to Safari altogether, so it's gonna disappear entirely. Additionally, if you prefer to restrict certain websites rather than disabling Safari altogether, you can do so. Head to the section called Store and Web, and there you can choose the web content, and you can manage websites, you can restrict them, you can add websites to the always allowed and never allowed. It's up to you, but you can do it there very simply. You might also be interested in using the app limits feature, which is also part of the screen time. So start by enabling the toggle at the top of the section and then click on Add Limits. This feature allows you to restrict an entire category of apps, such as all games, for example, or specific app like Safari in our case. So choose Safari and set up a daily time limit for its use. This limit can be as long as you want, so it's up to you to decide, and once the time runs out, you can choose what happens. You can make this Safari disabled. You might require a passcode to keep using it, it's up to you. So yeah, besides that, there are also some third-party apps to restrict using of the apps like Opal, which is not sponsoring this video or anything like that, but you can use that one. It also uses and leverages screen time, so it is up to you to decide, but that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this one, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Peace out until then.